Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Alexa. Today we're going to be doing a pretty huge CURLBOX unboxing because, as you can tell from my video list, I have not done one since I think summertime. I think we did August last, like the July and August CURLBOX together. That was the last one I did. So since then, obviously I have gotten some boxes and I want to share with you guys quickly the products I have. A couple of you requested a product stash video, so I want those to be included in it as well. Alright, so I'm going to quickly jump into this. I want to just share with you guys the products just so you can see what I have. So first up is the September 2019 subscription box, and it was titled Heavy Fashion. So that was the card that came with it. It also came with a little booklet. So we got a mousse in here, liquid styling gel. This is the glaze. It's a conditioning shining gel. So I guess we have two gels in here. And we have a moisturizer, intensive treatment. Is this a deep conditioner? Nope, this is a styling product. This is the texture of the butter. It has more of a fruity smell to it. And lastly, the fifth product is a leave-in conditioner. This is the texture of the leave-in. So again, those were the 5 products from my September 2019 CURLBOX. So this box was basically just all styling products. There's no conditioner, shampoo, and all that stuff. Next box was the September Platinum box. Now I really debated on this box, and I honestly should have waited because now by the time I'm filming this video, I see that they're having a bottles and boxes sale, and they're doing past boxes or boxes that didn't sell out and lowering the prices of them. The cover is very plain. When you open it up, my god, my fingers really do look busted. It's terrible, guys. Sorry. So this box is the August 2019 Platinum box. I did not include this in my last video of CURLBOX unboxings because it wasn't here yet. So we have the Sept Moss shampoo and conditioner. Both of these products are 6.7 fluid ounces and they retail for $28 each. That's wild. This is one of their best sellers. This is their Be Curly Curl Enhancer. It's 6.7 fluid ounces as well, and there's silicone in it if I'm not mistaken. Phenyl trimethicone. I'll have to look that up. $26. Next up we have the oil. All their products last for 24 months though, from what I see, which is pretty interesting because most products only last the 12 months they say is the best time to use them. Guys, this oil retails for $32. And if that wasn't shocking enough, they have this Rinseless Refresh Micellar Hair and Scalp Refresher, and this retails for $31. 6.7 fluid ounces as well. Lasts for 24 months. And last is the Brilliant Universal Styling Cream. This retails for $22. If you have used Aveda and you like the products or you didn't, whatever it is, any information you have on them, please drop it down below in the comments. So back to the subscription boxes. This is the October 2019 CURLBOX. It is titled Freedom. This is the inside. So this box was interesting because we got some jumbo sizes and some sample packets. Confusing, not confusing, I don't know. All right, let's do the sample packets first. So we got the Curls Unleashed Shea Butter and Honey Curly Coil Rich Styling Cream. Next one is the Aloe Vera and Honey Texture Boosting Curl Jelly. Next one is the Coconut and Avocado Does It All Smoothie Styler. This is a big amount of product, 16 ounces. That's the texture. Next is the Coconut and Shea Butter Curly Coil HD Gel Souffle. Alright guys, I'm gonna have to keep it like this because I definitely just spilt some. This is the texture. It moves a lot. It pours right out of here. As you can see it moving. Alright, second to last, we have the Cocoa and Shea Leave-In Condition and Style Cream. I think I like this smell the most. And lastly, this is the Beeswax and Castor Oil Color Blast. It's a temporary color wax. Mine came in the color Dragon Fruit, which is this pinkish color. And along with the wax, they did send some gloves. Alright, this box is called Tomboy Chic. This box released on October 23rd from Adwoa Beauty. I quickly want to pull up the product prices for you guys so you can see if it was worth it. Quickly, this is the cover. Very plain, simple. So we got 5 of their products. So this is the moisturizing shampoo. It is 12 fluid ounces. It's cute packaging. It's simple. It's plain. Chic clearly. Next up, we have the leave-in conditioning styler, also 12 fluid ounces, oil blend, and this was 7.2 fluid ounces. So these are interesting structures of container, but these are the last two products. So we have a curl defining cream and then the deep conditioning treatment. Both of these are 8 fluid ounces. They sent one pump. I want to assume that's for the leave-in, maybe? All right, so the leave-in retails for $16. The oil blend retails for $12. Shampoo 16. Curl defining cream. So we have the 8 fluid ounce, that's 15. They also have a 16 fluid ounce, that's 27. They also have a defining gel. I would have liked to have the gel as well. And the gel is the same kind of container I just showed you guys with the cream and deep conditioner. Now the deep conditioner retails for $18, and they also have a 16 fluid ounce that goes up to $32. And the dispenser pump is $8. So for 5 full-size products, add up to $77, and I paid $30. So you save $47 and you get to try a new brand. So these are the kind of things like why I really enjoy CURLBOX, because if it's a brand you've heard of, I've seen them on Instagram. They are still pretty new, and I wanted to try out their products. It's definitely a steal to get it for this price. And I don't know if they do like Black Friday deals and all these kind of things, so that's something to look out for if you're interested in trying this brand. The box did sell out on CURLBOX. All right guys, last box, it's still in here. This is my November subscription box. So we are featuring design essentials. So we got 5 full-size products in here. The almond and avocado line by Design Essentials. Now guys, the only reason I was disappointed when I got this box was because I have these products already. No! So I have an 8 fluid ounce shampoo, 8 ounce moisturizing conditioner. Then we have the leave-in conditioner, also 8 ounces. Now this product I don't have from the line, so I'll keep this. This is 2.3 ounces of Honey and Shea Edge Tamer. It smells like peach rings. Here, it looks like nothing's in here for a second. And then we have the 8 ounce honey curl forming custard with honey and chamomile. So yeah, those were the 5 products I got in this month's box. And finally guys, we are all caught up. I want to quickly tell you guys that I did purchase the Design Essentials online at Ulta when they were having their gorgeous hair event. Conditioner retails for $13. The custard retails for $17. The shampoo is $12. The leave-in is $13. The edge tamer is $12. That's expensive for some edge control. Ooh, that should better be lit. All right guys, we have finally finished. I hope I got this down to be super short. I just want to quickly show you guys the new products that I have. I'm going to post on my Instagram to my CURLBOX highlight, a quick overview of the products, quick picture video, whatever it is, just so you know for each month what I was getting in my box. Keep an eye out for that product stash video. I know you guys have been waiting. You know, CURLBOX is a really good investment because you're getting 5 to 6 full-size products to try. Will it always be something you like? No. You can always sell the box to somebody else you know, or give it away, gift it away, whatever it is. But it's definitely a good investment for me so that you don't have to keep purchasing products, especially when they may come out on CURLBOX, whether it's a subscription box or part of the non-subscription box that they put out that anybody can purchase. That brings us to an end. Thank you so much for watching, and I have another big announcement coming, so keep an eye out for that. I will catch you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.